expect me Tony Kabaka you forgive her like that? Atiti come and say this morning begin to insult Tony Kabaka again. I don't remove her and come up for the matter. Now, what about Atiti? That result to Tony Kabaka may go face it. May Atiti go carry a cross. Because if person tell me what as I did so, I cannot say it without you coming out to say it. They never born that person will go come in for food say Enogie talk like this, talk like this. You know what talk you want me to talk about. If you cannot come on my social media to come and say it, then I cannot say it. Atiti, Tony Kabaka cannot do social media. You put lie, you put her for your head. You insult your wife. You not head for them. You say, oh, do they sleep with your wife enemy? The guy now need to carry juju to talk, say, if this kind of thing are really true. Now, Atiti, you want me Tony Kabaka, you go return that course. He go first watch you first. For months, Tony Kabaka let me know, say, may you come ask. But I am still begging him. I am still begging him. Auto say Tony Kabaka and my brother for one side. I beg this man. I know what you don't make me pass through. I know the people are not supposed to come at it because of you. You now do not know the paper that they put for you. You are a sticky Jew. You be Jew for English system. You be Jew for traditional system. You are not even a native doctor. Because if you be native doctor, this kind of temptation will come your life. So if you not come talk with you talk if you're not really spiritual person. You not belongs to any confraternity. We go stand by you and say, okay, bad as bad, you be their brother. You not there any asigi, you not there so quick. You not be where your bow. Where we native doctor, you not be native doctor. Where your bow, where watawe, obo gidi, obo gidi, obo namwe bogbe, obo wish obo, weberi. Atiti, if you dey see that thing where you go to talk, you know talk am. Atiti, in your boy you wearing there. Do you know what this man did this morning? I only wake up. I still did my bed like this. Near the stroll for TikTok. Person, you're coming. Epa, Atiti wa tear boni Tony Kabaka in live video. I say, eh? Na lie. I said, na here. Mary Seva. If not, I was forced to climb and tell him, I know they beg for you again. So I beg. May nobody come here, cut us say, as me they so. Shame! No, let me cut Tony Kabaka. For Atiti matter. Me Atiti carry a cross. Shame, no go feel let me call him. Anything where Atiti wait see for this matter, Atiti go be around. Because I don't can as well one say, that's what say. My mom is sick gay. Now social media what they do for Facebook that time, now we take know ourselves. Now we continue 30 talk till today. He also your mommy be my twin be. So I beg. Now what way? Man, do your own. Since where I got go one in year. Now your meeting no say not be by age, person they get sense. Not be by day 56 years, not be by day 52 years. You get sense. You have wisdom. Somebody like you need to wait for like 1 year before you go even cry come and say, now people. That thing when I talk about Kabaka at that time, he never still the talk also. May you still continue to beg. Maybe people for come and say, lao, Tony Kabaka, lao. Why you work banner? Lao. Me they try to Tony Kabaka not they forgive person. Tony Kabaka, he know they forgive person. Because it always a fight, a just fight. Not be Tony Kabaka come for you. Okay? Not be Tony Kabaka come for you. Now you come for Tony Kabaka. And for that simple reason, Atiti, you are supposed to bear the consequences. You bear them. So that if you even eventually return course, it will not serve as a lesson to you next time. can't go do another one this morning. We'll see. Now, I say you have more away. Il colle. Il veut tirer. Ouais. On vient s'adiailler. Ouais, comment il vient? Là-haut, il parle là-haut. I am not part of your family members. Me and you don't relate by blood. Me ever na moi gbe kwa. Now, since you go gbe ni, you gbe mu dey. Up by TV yo. I beg. Me nobody pull me for this matter again. From today henceforth, I've washed my com for the matter. I know the cause. And it did not give me one error. I think they call people for this matter since then. Atiti still go on live stream this morning. Atiti now on their way worst. You feel safe if you don't like that. Kabaka can't return course. Kabaka will forgive. Even if you say Kabaka return that course, you know they forgive. Don't let Kabaka see you for this life. The luck where they save you now, they say you dey Spain, you dey country where they work. If you dey Nigeria, all these three they talk, you know talk. You don't know that they call Kabaka. Kabaka is not underrated. The way people they say and say Tony Kabaka. Kabaka is one of the most nicest person and a very dangerous person at the same time. Hello, Kabaka is a very nice person, and a very dangerous person at the same time. Man, I'll tell Kabaka. If you know that they call Tony Kabaka, you know go they talk all those rubbish online. If he come for you now, say they insult him now. That one has another case entirely. If me call Kabaka now, he go use a church to me now. He go say, Enogie, we do down in Melia. Oh, what back when ya tie boni me we do ahimia. Amen. Where ti me make big problem very on. Awa. Oh me fe ko here we. Wa beg me fe ko wo me here. Even if I still dey reach so, I know my boundaries. If you start so, amen we are there boy. Awa. Oh, why not you anywhere? If you have do tawe matter no. Oh, he has swum. Now you be. Oh, he has swum. Now you go back on your own. Amen. Awa, not be me. But you boy has a problem in there. Why won't die? This will be the last time I'll talk about you on this platform. You will they call Jojo, so you say no level. You know why they talk about because you did fake accounts. If you know say no level now, may you first bring your real profile come outside first. Go to start. May I know if level there or not. This will not be Kabaka now. This will not me and you. But the push well at the anime. You may come way one and now get the no level. Now get the no level. It do I have Atiti for problem in Nigeria. Women so really I do okay. Show your coat according to your size. You give me another I don't do on my lane. Every matter now that be robbing me. Well, here this evening where you know get good at. Even good man. What talk over now? I not get good man though. So before we enter Jennifer matter, because Jennifer